Welcome to my bedroom and my wardrobe. Please ignore my dying plant. It had spider mites. We're curing it. It does this once a month. It's like she's on her period. Ignoring that, we're gonna clear my wardrobe. This is where my husband's clothes are. This is where my clothes are. And this is where spare clothes, event wear, and sports clothes and loungewear are. Also loungewear, this is me in my loungewear. Sorry guys. But today we're gonna tackle the first step towards a capsule wardrobe. I'm gonna empty everything that is in here, which is my closet, and divide it in a few piles, which are love, maybe trash, and donate. I am hoping to pare this down to make a capsule wardrobe for fall. And it's gonna be a challenge because I still have 2 weeks of holidays to go to, so my mind is kind of I still want stuff from the summer, but I'm gonna try to make this work. And also I will pull out my boxes of clothes from storage that contain my warmer clothes, because I think I want to pull out a few pieces from there as well. Let's get started. In here I have all my tops, and I'm gonna start from those and divide them. I am going to do the loves there, the donation pile on the floor, and the maybes somewhere else. So let's see where it ends up. I am finding all of my sleeveless tops, which are summer pieces, and I'm gonna put them in a different seasonal pile. I have to say, some of these I haven't worn this summer at all, so I'm wondering if I should keep them at all, but I guess we'll get to that in a different moment. The top drawer is empty. I'm gonna put all the stuff that is on my love pile in, and except for my sleeveless tops, because those I don't think I will use, and I'll take out also all my shorts except for this pair of denim. This is new, and it's one of those longer denims, actually high-waisted longer denims, that I think even if it's gonna be a bit warmer again, I'm gonna use happily. So the rest is gonna stay on the side for moving it back into seasonal storage. These two skirts I don't think I fit in anymore. Oh goodness, I'll have to try them. I'll put a lot of stuff in the maybe pile to see if I fit in it still or not. Okay, that was the bottoms. The loved ones go back in, and then we're gonna deal with the top. I don't know if I'm doing this in the right order, but we'll try. I found on the bottom of the drawer 2 belts. This one can go in the trash. I think I already moved it and it's breaking down. This one has a lot of sentimental value, and it's still very good leather belt, but I haven't used it in ages, so I think I will put it in the donation pile. Yeah, I'm gonna take all of this out and see how far I get, I guess. These are definitely summer rompers, and I think I'm gonna take them on holiday. So I'm just gonna take them out of my closet to start with. I love this dress and I never wear it. So I am finding myself now in a little bit of a pickle because, as you can see, I only have 3 long sleeve dresses which are appropriate for winter. Then I have, these are all dresses that I like to wear in the summer. I haven't used this one in a long time, but it's really beautiful and it has its place and time. And these are dresses that I wear on a daily basis in summer. This is a beautiful summer dress, and these are 3 new dresses that I bought this summer. The idea was to use actually these 2 as occasion wear and this one as a daily, and this you saw in my haul for H&M. So I tried it on and I decided to keep it, and hence they go here. And then this side here now is all occasion wear. So this is for weddings or nice dinners and things like that. And I cannot separate these out of this closet because this is the longest closet I have. So for now they're gonna stay here, and these are my dresses for summer, and these are for fall and winter. So let's say this is more of a declutter than a capsule wardrobe yet. And now we get into a category that is even more difficult, which is shirts. These are all the shirts that I wear on a regular basis to go to work. There are a few though that I think I can move out. Like this one here, I've had it for a long time and it's not exactly in the best shape. And the same for these ones. Well, this one here is in the same style but orange. I was saving them until I found the color exchange. So for that red one I have this one right here. And for this orange, I don't have a dupe, let's say, a new one of this color. However, I have plenty of shirts, and this one, yeah, it has done its time. You know, when you wash them and they don't smell good already right after using them. So this one also can go. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shirts that I love to wear. Is that too many? I think there's one in the wash, so that makes it 11. Yeah. These are my 2 new linen shirts, which I love, and this one I haven't worn yet. It still has its tag on, but I think it's gonna be perfect for holiday, so I'm gonna keep it out for that. More tops that I love. This I absolutely adore, also perfect for holiday. This I showed you in my haul, and these 2 actually are very transparent, but I use them with a top underneath. This is a new black skirt that I have yet to wear, but I think that this is my substitution for the skinny black one that I had there. So I'm gonna keep this and put that one away. And these are my paper bag pants that I wear in summer and that I wear to work. So these are all staying. And this is a new skirt. I haven't worn it yet. Beautiful. And this skirt fell, but I love it, and I am gonna keep wearing it. White shirt, I do use this quite a bit. This shirt, as much as I love it, it doesn't fit me and nicely, and the colors are not my colors, so this one will be donated. This shirt I love the look of, but I never wear, and Yeah. I think I'm gonna keep it because I use it on top of t-shirts in the mid-season. This shirt I never wear. It can be donated. The shape is also not really flattering to me. Here we have my cardigans, and I wear these a lot on top of my shirts because I love that you can see the shirts. I have a black, a beige, a patterned black, which I love. This one, which is my absolutely favorite color. I have a dark green and a less dark green. And I have another olive green that is in the wash. I'll put this in my maybe pile because I don't wear this much. I prefer the other green one much more. And this I love. This is my yoga cardigan, so this one stays. And then we have two blazers, more informal ones. My formal ones are in a different closet. I never use this red one. I will just donate it. It's time for it to go. And this brown one, I am hoping to use more. I bought it in the sales, in the summer sales, and I hope to use more in the coming season. Here we go. We have decluttered the closet so far, and we are not really close to a capsule wardrobe yet, and I still need to go through a ton of drawers. So let's get into the drawers and see how it goes. In here I keep my lighter long sleeves items. I love this color, but I'm gonna get rid of this sweater. It's just very low quality and not a cut that I like, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Still good, donated. I own these three sweaters that I really love. This one I wear a lot, and from these three I actually don't wear much. I think I am going to donate them. As much as I love the colors, I just don't wear these because they are closed. They don't show my the clothes I have underneath, so I'm a bit sad to wear these. This white one, I love the idea, but white is too difficult for me to wear. It gets dirty too easy, so I'm gonna donate this one as well. What is this? Oh, this I haven't worn in years, so I'm gonna donate this one as well. And this side is my husband's. Now I actually can give him more space. And these are my lighter cotton sweaters, chunky sweaters that I am happy to have for this season. And then down here I brought out my boxes from my other room. I actually was looking through them, and I think there is only wool in here, so it's something to be tackled in the future. But I think this is only wool tops and sweaters. I actually already know that this one can go. I haven't worn it in forever. I can donate that one. And the rest I think I am going to go through in the next season, because it's all stuff for winter. And on this side I think as well. I don't know, there's actually quite some chunky woolen cotton knits in here that I could pull out and use in the fall season. And some nice dresses as well for the colder season. I'm going to take out these chunky knits that are still quite light and cottony. I am going to get rid of this mantle because I never ever wear it. I wish I would be that person, but I cannot put a jacket underneath, so it's very difficult for me to wear. Perfect, this stuff can now go back in storage, and I will add the bits that are the summer bits that I pulled out because we're not gonna have any more summer, I'm afraid. So yeah, that was that. Small vlog moment to show you what happened to my maybe pile. Here are all the clothes that I'm gonna donate. These are gonna go in the trash. These are shirts that I can use to work at home or live at home, just lounge, because they're good, but they're colors that I don't really wear. And these are 2 shorts that I am keeping because they wear well and yeah, they're comfortable. So I am gonna try to use them a little bit more on holidays, and otherwise I'll just put them away, because if I don't use them on holidays, short shorts are not really anything I would use in the Netherlands, because we don't have summer in the Netherlands. Here I still have a pile of tank tops that I don't know what to do with, because I haven't worn them this summer, but I might want to take them on holiday, so that is still there. So overall, from all the hangers that you see there, it didn't go too bad.